Good morning, guys. Um, so here's a new beginning to our. Um, this would serve as a start of our daily vlog. So I have time for uh, for daily vlog. So we will start right now with Sano Banning. So we'll ask Sano Banning what he's doing early in this morning. So kung ka ba? Ba in English ba? In English
This is a part of exercise, physical fitness. Because now is 6 o'clock. The sun is not yet rising, but the day is coming.
So what are you planning to do in this part? So why are you landscaping?
I landscape this one because I want this is a flat plane. Flat plane. I will transfer my dirty kitchen here. So that my dirty kitchen, I will make it a white kitchen. Because many visitors coming. You know this building? Governor Ares Mentado, Congressman Van Mentado, visit here. Congressman Van Mentado, I think 3 times. He was also a board member. Leaders is coming here for me.
So that's why you're planning.
I'm planning to transfer my dirty kitchen here so that my white kitchen is there.
So here's our dirty kitchen, guys. So that's our dirty kitchen. So yeah. So are you planning to extend or
Extend.
extend? So we'll extend our dirty kitchen so that we can accommodate more visitors. So this is the part of this land, it's slope or slanting. So yeah, that's that's the work he do is really done. So this how many days did you work on that?
The second day only.
It's second day with
I will make this this part plain. I think 1 week.
So we'll try to finish this part of our backyard for 1 week. It's not a whole day with a spare time only.
It's a part time.
A part time. This is just
So I have many work.
or
I
one
have many works to be done.
or one hour only. Because there's another job that he needs to be done within a day. So yeah. So sorry to tell you guys that this is my face right now. So I've already wake up right now because I just slept yesterday at 11 o'clock in the night. Evening lagi. So yeah, it's also served Sano Banning's exercise, to have healthy body, and so hopefully we could make
The others in my age are very weak. Sitting. They done nothing. Because they're thinking that they're already old. But doesn't matter. That is a number only.
yeah.
So you have to work so that your gene will be moved also. You cannot grow easy to become older. Keep going.
So hopefully guys, I'm planning. So I'm planning to upload everyday videos. You know, just some random videos for only 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So yeah, cause I don't have time to edit our videos. So yeah, this would serve as our new beginning to upload our daily vlog. So we'll give you 10 minutes video, or 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So we got 2 pail, and where you going to put the
There,
the soil?
I'm already this bucket.
Yeah.
Already remove this one from to transfer here, so that it will be easy to put a shovel and put here. Then I carry like this one. Move it inside. There is also a portion there in our sala. I want also to make it plain. Then I will make it concrete, then tiles.
So sana ba is planning to put a tiles in our living room? Oh, dining room?
Dining room.
So yeah, this is the my back. So this is also
Because I want to improve my dirty kitchen, because even though I did not go with my companion before in Palatec. They called me a meeting, I did not attend. I told them I will get with the politics, but they are still coming here, talking to me, visiting to me. The other one, or Colonel Basmi, or called me last night to attend their pista. It's coming January 14,
Wednesday, tomorrow.
tomorrow evening. He was invited me to have a dinner there. I told him no, I will not attend, because this coming pista I will not celebrate. I
Yeah.
have to keep my money, because in every pista, slaughter cow or carabao, because I'm a politician, so the people coming and eat. But during the election, I lost.
I lost.
But the other politician did not even to live in our municipality, did not live here, but they won because of.
Yeah, that's the sad reality.
That's why I have to save my money, not in politics, but for myself.
Yeah. Yeah, pag mga 8 minutes, 30 seconds ha, baka pag 10 minutes ha.
Pag na.
Yeah, edit sa nag-upload. Wa na edit. So yeah, I don't. So what I have said guys, so I have no time for edit our videos. So I will upload this later. So yeah, so you could expect to have a new upload every day. So yeah, just simple random videos, or a daily vlog, because we just didn't uploaded new videos every day because we're too busy, and right now, so we will give time. So first he just get the grass. What do you call this? I'm going to say this. We'll just get the grass first, and then dig and landscape the area.
This one I bought this in from
Online.
online. This part here is manganese. Manganese is very hard steel. It is a concrete cutting metal. And also this one pure stainless. I make this there in the building, in the shop. Stainless, stainless. Only this one, not stainless. But the other one was, I don't know.
So yeah, so
It was to go my other bar. We call it local in Budlong.
so that's it, guys, for today's video. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.